What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in. You have seen her on the runway, you've seen her in the cinematic videos, and now she's here to do a photo shoot. So today I'm gonna be shooting with Paulina, and we're gonna do 2 or 3 looks, see how much we can get in. Gonna be using 2 lights, Canon R6 Mark II. I'll talk more about it. Tell them where to find you at, Instagram, YouTube.
You guys can find me on Instagram at paulina.barbar or on YouTube, Paulina Barbar.
So go ahead, click that. I'm shooting with the new DJI Mic 2s. There's a lot of traffic going on right here, so hopefully you can hear us. If not, I'm sorry, but gotta get to it. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So I want the poses to be nice and soft, right? So cutesy, think about if you're at the beach. But also since we're inside, you can kind of think like catalog. Like, if this was like a campaign shoot, it's perfect. Matching, white matching the background, neutrals. You got it, I'm not worried about you. So today I ended up using the Atmos Ninja with the Canon R6 Mark II. And then for behind the scenes, I used the Sony FX3, which is my main camera. I use it for a majority of my videos, for the behind the scenes and for any cinematic videos that you see. Try to make sure the legs are like, they don't have to be straight, but make sure they're like on an angle, like making some type of shape. I don't want them to be like this or like that. You want to make sure they're kind of like, if you're here, then boom, like one's right here. You got it? Good, I know you do. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Yes, just like that. 3, 2, 1. Look off to the right. Yep. Switch your legs. Yep. 3, 2. Let me get a detail shot. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, perfect. Let all the hair fall to that side. There you go. 3, 2, 1, perfect. Hold that. 3, 2, and then just pat the hair down. Yep, 3. Yeah, that's better. That's good. You can do it in motion actually. 3, 2, perfect. Amazing. Hold that right there. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Hold that. So the majority of my photo shoots, you always see me getting some wide shots and then some close-up shots because I like to do a little bit of variety of both. I don't like to just shoot at one focal length. That's why I like zooms instead of primes. I know the primes are super crispy and sharp, and I got a couple primes. I got a 50, 35, and 85. I never use them. I always end up using like the 24 to 105, and I should get the new one because that 24 to 105 2.8 is looking amazing, but also not amazing on the pockets. So on both of the looks today, I did a 2-light setup. I did the Nanolite 720 for the key light, and then for a hair light, I ended up using the Aperture 300D. And also I like to switch up the angles. I like to do a lot of low angles for some reason. It's kind of like my style. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so that's why you gotta switch it up a little bit. You gotta see what works for your model based on composition, based on where you're shooting at, your environment, your lighting, just switching it up and just making sure you're getting the best shots possible. Perfect, 3, 2, 1. Hold that right there. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Look off this way. 3, 2, 1. Put your left hand right there. So right in the middle, like, yep, just like that. And then bring your shoulder towards me. There we go. Not all the way though, just a little bit. And then bring this leg a little bit more closer. Yep, you can bring it closer this way. Yep, just so you like angle it a little bit more towards me. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you can do both hands. And then put the hair behind you. Perfect. And then actually switch, go this side. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then only eyes. Same pose. So go back, lean, head this way, eyes here. Yeah, perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then eyes to the side. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep, just like that. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. There you go. All right, perfect. Hold that. Let me switch up the angle for YouTube real quick. Trying to get you guys some good angles. All right. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. I like that right there. Hold that. Perfect. Put the hair behind your head. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Switch the legs. Yep. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2. Yep. Hold that right there. That's perfect. And then eyes here. Perfect. Let me put the light right there. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Hold that right there. 3, 2, 1. Hands in the hair. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then eyes right here. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. So put this hand down, left, and then put the right hand like that. Yep. And then you can just like go through it and do it very naturally. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then one detail. Got it. Easy. Easy work.
Yay.
All right. The second look, I did pretty much the same setup. I kept the man light as the key, and I had the aperture 300D to the side / behind her. And I just wanted to use it just to separate her a little bit from the wall. In the beginning, I did use the wall kind of as a reflector and bounce the light back at her with that. But then I ended up turning the light just a little bit so it could hit her on the side and give her a little bit of separation. 2, 1. Perfect. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Amazing. Hold that right there and like look down. Perfect. Perfect. Then eyes here. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Do that lean all the way up. Like so, sit all the way up. Put one leg up on the chair, and then like turn a little bit. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Yes. Amazing. Perfect. You can go off to the side. Yep. Perfect. One more time to the side. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And then I want you to, right now, when you're posing, I want you to act like you're at the beach without me. You're just like here posing. Let's say you put your phone down and you do like an Instagram reel by yourself. Okay. So it's like natural pictures. Okay. So that way I'm just like snapping away, but I don't want to like keep posing you so much, okay? Got it. It's 3, 2, perfect. I'm just gonna keep snapping away, all right?
Okay.
Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then don't forget, you still have the bathing suit that you can use as an accessory. So you can use this right here. You can use the strings, you can use the chair, lean back, sit up, whatever you feel like. 3, 2, perfect. Amazing. Hold on, really quick, let me just show you something.
I'm obsessed. Are you kidding? The light and everything. That's insane.
2, 1. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Yep, here. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Hold that right there. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one. Yep. Do that one more time. 3, 2, 1. Amazing. Try and extend this leg a little bit longer. Yep. Actually, put that leg, do that. Sit all the way on the chair, and then put that leg on the chair. Yes. 3, 2, perfect. 3, 2, 1. Lean in towards me. Yes. Put the hand there though. Yep, exactly. 3, 2, 1. And then try to get a little bit more shape back. Yep, just like that. Chin up. Perfect. One of the hands on the chest, like in the middle. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2. Try and bring the knee down so it doesn't create a shadow. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. And then let's do some standing up. Really cool. Perfect. I'm gonna have you do some against the wall, but then some a little bit here so I can separate you from the background. Right now. Yeah. 2 and 1. Perfect. Put one leg staggered. Yes, there you go. It doesn't have to be up. It can be like, actually try it up. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Do that like you were leaning forward and go that way. Yes. Perfect. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Do that right there and then cross it over just a little bit more. Yes, hold that. 3, 2. Do that same thing and then keep looking off to the side. So do it in motion. 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1. And then you can look over here. Perfect. 3, yes, do that right there. I like that. 3, and then look to the side. 2, 1. Perfect. And then eyes here. Bring the head back there and then bring the eyes here. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Detail shot. Switch up the angle. 3, 2, 1. Try and move the hair off the shoulder. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, do that same thing and then look back. Perfect, then look down. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. Perfect, then here. Yep, hold that right there. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 2, perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. We got it. Yeah. Easy, easy. Okay. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. If you made it this far, I appreciate you to the fullest. We are still on the 100K push. We're almost there. We're at like 94 right now. We're gonna get there soon, I have no doubt. Appreciate everybody's support. If you watched and you didn't hit that subscribe button, here's your chance. Go slap that for me real quick. If you guys haven't already, I'll put Paulina's information down below. Make sure to give her a follow on Instagram and on her YouTube. You because she's gonna pop off on there too. I want to thank you guys again. If you guys have any questions on lighting, photography, videography, whatever it may be, please leave them down below or shoot me a message here on Instagram, wherever you guys feel like. I'm here to answer, and I want to thank you guys again. I'll catch you guys in the next one.